And I'm still waiting on DIDI guys. I'm still waiting. It hasn't triggered for us. It has to be over 13 guys, so around 1303s, 1302s. We're thinking of taking long DIDI over 13s. Our stop is 20 cents, by the way, guys, on that, with a stop 20 cents. And DIDI guys, DIDI is coming back up, and we're looking for long. We're looking for long on DIDI, looking for long. I took 1303s guys, 1303s with a stop just over 30 cents. So the risk is a little bit more than earlier on anticipated. Our risk was 1280, now is 1270s guys. And this has to show a sign of strength straight away after the breakout. We don't want it to come back and start trading under that breakout. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring my stop over 1294s guys, because this is a secondary move and I expect it to break and not look back. So if it does come back, that means it's actually a failure. So I'm not gonna risk too much guys. I've moved up my stop to 1290s and it's looking good now. So far it's working according to our plan guys. The breakout trade, let me just put actually drawings where I entered. 1303s I believe, yep. So we're still not out of the wood, but it looks good guys, because it gave us a really nice place to stop, put our stop. Okay, volume coming in, as I mentioned guys. As soon as it starts to go to 1330s, more volume will come in. This is what we're looking for. This, now I'm okay with it. Now I can say that this is actually a good trade, right? You see the difference guys between before and now? Huge difference. The volume is coming in. Look at the momentum. This is what I wanted from this breakout. I just paused out that. It just delayed a bit, but still we're in it. We're in it to win it. Let's go. I've taken some partial 1340s guys. Take some partial 1340s. 1340s partial taken out. Okay, still waiting on it. But with this one guys, it's still a really good trade. Even if you had some partial remaining or 50% remaining here, if it does take you out on a break even, it's fine, because this this first partial has been a really good trade. I mean, for a $13 stock, you got like 40 cents move. Not too bad. So that's our stop on break even hit. Stop on break even hit. That was actually a short, but as I said, VWAP, this area, this zone, big problem. DIDI looking to short it, close to 13s. Right now it's a bit far, but if it starts to reject, I'm looking at the tape. I want to see this 13s hold, and once it does, I'm shorting this under 13. Anything close to 13 is good, but I want to see that rejection from 13s. So at the moment 12.95 on the ask, 12.97 on the ask. '97s, '96s. Right, I'm gonna try here, guys. Now 12.96, 12.96, short 12.96 with a 15-cent stop, guys. Short 12.96, guys. Really good entry. I was just watching that rejection from the 13 areas, which it did, even if it's briefly. It did give us a bit of a rejection. And our stop will go over close to 13.10s, basically, guys. Close to 13.10s. I'm gonna take some out. 12.20s. I'm watching the level 2s. The level 2s. 12.90s. Give me as close to as 12 as possible. 12.20s, 19s. I might take some out here, guys. Huge amount of sellers coming in. 12.90s are holding nicely. 12.19s are holding. 18s. Huge. 20s, okay. Right, I'm taking some out here, guys. 12, what was it? 12.20. Let me check what 12.20, guys. Yeah, so third partial on this out. I've got very few shares left on it, about 10%. So I'm gonna put the stop down 12.50s, just over 12.50s, and just watch it either come back and stop me out, or just go for a runner if it decides to break 12s. And if it's one of those days that's gonna do a massive red, then I can catch at least some of it with my 10% shares left. XELA was short 348s. Stop here. So let's have a look, see if I can draw some stuff here. So 356 was the stop. 348s were the, so around 8 cents a stop. That's our risk. Let me just see if I can write this. So this was our risk right? And then we had let's say so that's our target profit basically. So that's risk, this is our profit. So let's go profit. So that's the idea, guys. Any trades you take, you want to see this. So if you're risking 1 here, you're risking 1, 2 plus 3, something like that. In this case, it's unfortunately it might be 3. Maybe less than 3. Yeah, just over 2, guys. But that's the whole idea. That's the risk management. That's what I wanted to show you. That's the XELA trade.